create a new sequence, select File, New. ElectroPro software has 4 tabs: Creation, Configuration, View Graph, and View Sheet. So first, in the Creation window, select Line for the 2D acquisition. Electrodes will be located along the X coordinate. Then press Next. In the extrude spacing, you enter the spacing between the electrodes in the field, so 5 meters in that examples. And the extrude size, this is the number of electrodes, so 48 in that case. It can be 72, 96 or other, depending on your system. The extrude offset, this is the position of the first electrodes, so 0 meters by default. Let Automatic Grid validate it for a standard array and click on Create Grid. Electrodes will be located along X and Y equals 0 by default, and electrode 1 is located in 0 meters, and electrode 48 is located in 235 meters. So first electrode 1, last electrode 48. After that, you can click on Configuration tab. In the configuration window, we're going to define the timing parameters. First of all, enter a name for the sequence that will be stored into the unit. Then select the electrode array, dipole in that case, and enter the number of reception channels. Then enter 2 for the Syscal Junior R1 plus R2 or 10 for the Syscal Pro. Then select Rho and IP for the resistivity and chargeability computation, keep 2 seconds for the injection timing, and arithmetic mode for the IP distribution slices. About the quality control parameters, keep 1 for the Qmax, 4 for the stack min, and 8 for the stack max. It means that the unit will measure the quality factor, and if it's better than 1%, 4 stacks will be measured. If not, up to 8 stacks will be measured. About the voltage requested option, select VP maximum. It means that the unit will inject the voltage to try to receive each time a maximum VP. And let 800 volt for the maximum VAB value. This part is related to the grid of depth levels. So in the left part we can visualize the different spacing that can be defined and the different levels that can be defined for each spacing. Different spacing means different dipole lengths. So this is used to increase the signal to noise ratio. So we're going to define that examples, 6 levels for each spacing, 1A to A3A up to 7A in that case to reach the maxed investigation test. Keep 10 for the Syscal Pro about the number of channels, and keep the 3 options validated by default for the optimization process. Then click on Create Standard Sequence button. You will get a window showing information about the sequence, and you can have a view about the estimated time to perform the sequence. Then click on OK. Then enter a name for the storage of the sequence in your computer, so you can keep the same name than in a Syscal, and press Save. And then after that you can click on View Graph. In the View Graph window, we can visualize the report point of the sequence that will be measured along the X coordinate and along the Z investigation test. So you can visualize the different colors corresponding to the different spacing that have been programmed in the sequence, 1A to A3A, so on. And the black circles corresponds to the gap filler quadruples. These are the quadruples added for the optimization process. In the status bar, you can have an idea about the estimated investigation test. You can also visualize the number of measurement points in the sequence, and you can visualize an estimation of the acquisition time. After that, you can click on View Sheet. In the View Sheet window, we can visualize the position of the electrodes in X, Y, and Z. So X along the profile, Y equals 0 by default, and Z topography equals 0 by default, and note that the topography can be entered after acquisition. In the right part, we can visualize the quadruples that we measured. So for each quadruples, you can visualize the AB injection and MN reception electrodes. The geometrical factor is computed for each quadrupoles, and you can also have a view about the estimated investigation depth for each measurement. Those windows can be printed or can be also exported as CSV files for Excel. If you want to upload the sequence into the unit, validate the sequence, then select File, Communication Port, USB, and then select File, Upload. You will get a message showing the menu to select in the SysCal and press OK, and then connect the USB cable between the SysCal and the computer and press OK.